here, and we've got this really cool cleaning kit that have just come in. It comes with a large bottle and a small one, and a very, very cute little funnel for refilling it, which is very, very handy. It comes with lens wipes and a cloth. It also comes with, which is a little bit bizarre, a clip that holds your sunglasses. I haven't quite figured out why, but
goes on the sun visor of your car.
Well, you know, well, those who have got cars, man, a bit tricky on the bike. So it does come with that as well. And all for $29.99, it's not bad. Speaking of lens wipes, we've got these disposable lens wipes here. They're all sealed in a packet like so. You get a big bunch of them in the pocket. It's not expensive and ideal for cleaning glass, your glasses. You can use it on your photographic gear, but with caution. So yeah, come have a look.